Hey guys, welcome to Define Agile. My name is Natoli. In this channel, we're talking everything Agile and Agile tools, and this is another Jira app review. Today, we're going to talk about the app called Out of Office Assistant, which is a very useful tool. You know, situations when you get sick or you go on vacation, people keep on assigning tasks to you. You go back and you see a bunch of tasks, nothing is done, everything assigned to you, and nobody knows that you're out of office. Let's say I have a remote team. This app allows you to solve this and reassign tasks properly. So we're going to talk about that today. Before we do, I want to thank Out of Office Assistant team for sponsoring this video and allowing me to share it with you guys. Now let's get to the app. First of all, as usual, let's see how to find the app, what's the pricing, and all the general information we can find. Let's go to apps. Let's go to explore more apps. Here, let's type Out of Office. Click enter, and here we go. First result is Out of Office Assistant. We see that it has a bunch of reviews. It is cloud fortified, which I love to see. Means that they have cloud security participation, they do frequent reliability checks, and if you have any issues, they will respond in 24 hours. So this is all great. If you click on the app itself, you can watch the video, watch how it works. It's actually very easy to use. But let's look at the pricing. I'm going to bring up the pricing page to show you how this all looks like so you're not surprised. Here we go. This is the pricing page, and you can try it for free. There are trial, of course, and it's free for 10 users, up to 10 users, but it's also not very expensive. If you say 50 users, you pay $25. If you say 100 users, you pay $50 a month. So for the functionality that allows you to be more productive when somebody is out of office, it reassigns to somebody else and your tasks get done. That's not too much in my opinion, and the app is very useful. Let's look at the app itself. So I already added it, but you click here, try it for free, it's free trial, click on that, and then your app will appear under Apps, Out of Office Assistant. Let's click on that. Here we are, it says you don't have any rules. Click one of these options below. You have option to go to user administration or add a new rule. Well, let's go to user administration first. It allows us to set things on the administrative level. Here we go. If you are an administrator and you want to set it up for your team, you can actually do it here. You have a list of users and you can add rules this way, the global rules. But I want to show you, if you are a user, how to add it, because the way is the same. This just allows for administrator to set it up, and the other one allows for users themselves set it up. So I'll set it up for the user, and then we'll go for use case. I'm going to show you with multiple users how it works so you guys can see. Let's go back to the previous page and create a rule. Okay, here we go. I'm logged in as Anatoly. I click Add New Rule, and here it says Rule Details. So let's say I am going away. So I'm going away from Tuesday to, let's say, Friday. And then I can be unavailable for certain projects, or I can be unavailable for all projects. But let's say I'm unavailable for all projects. What I also really like that apart from projects, you can do it for any JQL issue filter. So let's say you just want to do it for stories or design tasks or anything else. So let's say you can review your, I don't know, bugs. If there's a bug, then you're not out of office. You promise your manager that you're going to work on bugs. But let's say for stories and tasks, you're not available. So you can create JQL filter when only if it's a bug, for a particular project or anything else, really. JQL allows you to do a lot of versatile things. So you can create your filters, and then you can select filters from here if you want to. It's very handy. I'll select for all projects. Then there are two things, covers and covers for approvals. So it's different workflows. Some projects require an approver, so you can be an approver or you can be an assignee. So if you want only to select somebody who can cover you when something is assigned to you, let's say somebody assigns a story to myself, and when story assigned to myself, I want to send it to DA main architect. This will be the user I want to cover for anything that assigned to me. Or the other option is somebody made me an approver for a story or a task, and then I can select somebody else and make them an approver instead of me. So those are two different ways to assign tasks to you. And here's the message. I can create a custom message and we'll put a comment that I'm not available, for example. Let's try it out. I'll say, I am sorry, this week I am climbing Mount Everest. So this issue will be reassigned. That's it. So you put it here, and then you can add tags to mention comments. Let's try that as well. Let's add an out of office tag when you're out of office. And then you can set an absent. You can select some emoji. There's no Everest emoji, but let's say I'll put an island here. Let's see how that works. So we'll just add a tag in the comment. And then you can share it or not share it with Service Desk customers, because also works for Jira Service Desk. We gonna not share it, and then you can activate and deactivate the rule as well as you go. Maybe you made a mistake, or okay, you're coming back for a day, you're deactivating the rule, and it's all gonna be fine. And then let's say you worked for hour or two while on vacation, then you activate it again, and here you go. So we selected everything will be on vacation for all the projects. Everything that assigned to me will be auto-assigned to DA main architect, and there'll be a message here saying that I will be climbing Mount Everest. Let's click Save. And here we are, we see our out of office rule created. There are a couple of cool things you can do. If you click on this blue icon, you can reassign all your issues to your cover right now. You can also add your cover as a watcher, which means that they'll be able to get notified when something happens to the tickets. Very handy if you just want, okay, I'm going right now, DA main architect, take care of that. Just click confirm and they're gonna go and take care of all those things. You can do it right from here. The other cool thing is you can download this as a calendar event, so put it in your calendar, which is also very useful. It will show you that you're out of office, which is pretty cool. You can edit and delete that as well. Now let's see how it works in practice, how it works in one of the Jira projects we have. I will log in as the other user and then I'll assign something to myself. This one is Anatoly, and let me log in as a DA main architect, let's say, and try to assign something to Anatoly. Let's do that. Here we are in one of the projects. You see I'm a DA main architect here. Let's say I want to assign something to Anatoly. So you see there's assignee here. It's unassigned. I click Anatoly Spectre and then I close it. And then see, instead of Anatoly Spectre, it assigned it automatically to DA main architect. And then if I go inside of it, there is my comment, sorry, this week I'm climbing Mount Everest, so this issue will be reassigned. And it automatically puts who it assigned to. This issue was reassigned to DA main architect by the Jira out of office assistant. So, very easily done. So as you see, there won't be any issues anymore when you assign issues to someone who is out of office. You don't even have to know that they're out of office. They just set up the rule and everything's reassigned to whoever they agreed to will take care of those issues. Save you lots of headache, chasing people, finding who is out of office, who is not. This allows you to do everything inside of Jira. I actually love it a lot. Well guys, that's it. Very useful, small app, allows you to do exactly what a lot of people are struggling with in Jira. If you want to get the app, I'll leave a link above and I'll leave a link in the description so you guys can check it out, download it. Again, I want to thank the sponsor of this video, which is Out of Office Assistant that we reviewed. Thank you for allowing us to do it. Really appreciate you. If you guys have any questions, put them in the comments down below. I'll talk to you next one. Bye-bye.